Hey, welcome to this week's Value Bomb. Today I'm going to talk about AI and the importance of it in your business. Make sure you pay attention to this next clip. It's only a few minutes and I think you'll be really surprised. Imagine using this for client birthdays, property anniversaries, or new listings. Record one video and HeyGen customizes it for each client. It's efficient, powerful, and the kind of thing that will keep you top of mind. With ChatGPT, you can create listing descriptions, draft quick client emails, or generate social media posts. Need some fresh email templates for different scenarios? Ask ChatGPT. It's like having a writing assistant who's ready whenever you need. Add some voice to your video tours or content with Revocalize. Pick a voice, enter text, and boom, it sounds natural. Rewordly crafts social media captions and posts based on your listing details or agent bio. It saves you from starting from scratch while making your social game consistent and engaging. Let AI drive your engagement up. Clozio helps manage and streamline your entire transaction process. It tracks deadlines, sends notifications, and makes sure nothing slips through the cracks, meaning smoother closings and more satisfied clients. For the data savvy, NLP tools can analyze market trends and client preferences to help you tailor your strategies. Know what buyers want before they do, and deliver targeted insights your clients will appreciate. Each of these tools is designed to make you more productive, more engaging, and let's be real, more impressive to clients. Check the links below to dive deeper into these platforms and start seeing results today. AI isn't the future, it's the present, and agents who embrace it are going to stay a step ahead. Guess what? I didn't even shoot that video. Reach out to me. I'll teach you more about this.